In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert histogram chart in PowerPoint. If you want to display the distribution of numerical data in a clear visual format, a histogram is a great option. It helps group values into ranges so your audience can quickly understand patterns, frequency, and spread. PowerPoint makes it fairly simple to add one, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and going to the slide where you want the histogram to appear. Once you're on the correct slide, click Insert from the top ribbon. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding new content to a slide in, including images, tables, charts, and more. After that, click Chart. This opens the chart selection window where you can browse through different chart types available in PowerPoint. If you've used bar charts or pie charts before, this is the same menu, but this time we'll be choosing a chart designed for showing data distribution. In the chart options, click Histogram. Selecting this chart type tells PowerPoint that you want to organize your numeric data into bins or grouped ranges, rather than displaying each value individually. This is especially useful when you're working with measurements, scores, or any list of numbers that you want to summarize visually. Once histogram is selected, click OK. PowerPoint will then insert the histogram onto your slide. At the same time, an Excel sheet will usually open automatically. Don't worry if you weren't planning to use the Excel directly. This is completely normal because PowerPoint uses an embedded Excel data table to power the chart. Now, change the values in Excel. Replace the sample data with your own numbers. As you enter or paste in your values, the histogram in PowerPoint will update automatically. Make sure you're entering numerical data, since histograms work best with numbers rather than text labels. If your chart doesn't look quite right at first, that's often just because the sample data hasn't been fully replaced yet. Take a moment to review the chart after updating the values. If needed, you can resize the chart on the slide or adjust its placement so it fits nicely with the rest of your presentation. The main part of the process, though, is simply inserting the chart, choosing histogram, and updating the Excel data. And that's how to insert a histogram chart in PowerPoint. Once your data is in place, you'll have a clean, professional chart ready to present.